What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis here directly from the beach in Sicily. We're gonna have an update guys on the Bitcoin price and I'm gonna tell you how low that we could eventually go if we're gonna continue to fall down. And I have some bullish news and also some bearish news for you guys. So let's dive straight here into the Bitcoin price and we're gonna have a look right now in the 4-hour time frame what is going on with Bitcoin. Because even though we are falling down, we are actually looking quite bullish in the pattern that we're forming right now, guys. So make sure to be subscribed on this channel, Alessandro the Crypto, of course, and also make sure to check out all links in the video description to all new projects that are coming out during this altcoin season that in my opinion is still playing out. And of course also we're gonna see a lot of altcoins pushing nicely here in the next coming weeks and months. Of course, no financial advice, guys. I'm just sharing all my own price analysis and price TA with you guys. Currently, of course, I'm buying also into new low market cap coins that are very hyped, like this Bitcoin Hyper right now, guys, because Bitcoin Hyper is breaking all sort of records, almost at 11 millions. Remember, yesterday we just broke the 10 millions level and now almost 1 million added here into this new project, because Bitcoin Hyper is going to be a new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin and everything. If everything is going well, then of course here also we have right now one of the best opportunities of this altcoin season in my opinion, because also in the past we have seen many coins with the name Bitcoin in it, like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV and so on, performing very well. And not only on Bitcoin Hyper, we are getting more and more bullish news here around the crypto space, also of course with AI coins. And there is one in specific that we can invest since day one right now, which is Deep Snitch, guys. The link is in the video description right at the top. They just passed through the consult and also solid proof audits. That means that the project should be safe, of course, based on those third parties. And right now we can invest since day one at the price of 1.6 cents that you can find here. I bought and staked my coins with Ethereum. You can connect your DeFi wallet here to the website and buy in, and you can see that the launch price here will be at around 5 cents, so a little bit higher, or at least like almost 5x higher, guys. And of course it's already mentioned in different crypto websites that a new AI coin is coming out here in the crypto space, and also the token will be needed in order to use the different AI models that this project is going to offer. So I am buying currently into different new coins that are very hyped, like Bitcoin Hyper, also Snorter, we have Maxi Doge, and of course also this Deep Snitch as well. It's one of the newest ones, and you can see here they're all linked in the video description. So if you want to check them out, then of course you can take advantage of. One that already came out, guys, is this Snacky Way, this one over here. If you bought and staked the coins, I already took profits on that one. It came out on the 18th of August. I missed out somehow the launch of that coin, but thanks to the high staking rewards that we got there, you should be able to take some profits, even though the coin is dumping a little bit. But since we staked it for an insane high API, if you bought with me since day one, then you should be taking now some good profits. You can do, of course, what you want with the coins, guys. No financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. Whatever I'm buying and selling, I'm sharing that with you. It's everything just my own opinions. And now, guys, for Bitcoin in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are forming this nice falling wedge. So in theory, even though we are going down, this pattern that we're forming is a bullish one. And once we have here a breakout to the upside, so once we have 4-hour closes above this resistance trend line, currently at around 114k, I'm expecting, of course, a big run towards the breakout target, which should be then, of course, where this pattern began, right here at around 124k. And once we reach again 124k, I'm pretty confident that we're gonna also go towards new all-time highs, and with Bitcoin, of course, also the altcoins. And also watch out here, if we would break out to the downside, so a 4-hour close below 111 or 112k, then of course we could be going to much lower levels. And therefore I want to open up the weekly time frame, guys, because here is where I think we could be going, like how low we could go for this bull run here, and of course for this correction right now in the next coming weeks. If somehow we would see more downside, then I think here the 20 weekly moving average is a very important support level to watch out at 107k. For the worst case scenario, this is also where previously we had a lot of resistance here, so it's of course possible that we're coming down to retest the 107k level before we had higher. And for the really worst case scenario, guys, the 50 weekly, of course, here this one is holding always as a very strong support during the whole bull run since 2023, basically at around 94k. I don't expect that we're gonna drop down there, but just that you know the targets. So basically that's it, guys. Already this is how low we can go in my opinion, and also based on my indicators and price TA. Also we have currently some warning signs on the weekly time frame that are going on right now, but I think that 4-hour pattern that we are forming right now could of course save the date, and of course also save the weekly time frame if we're gonna see a bullish breakout to the upside. So we are forming a bullish pattern, guys. I am bullish, and of course we have to wait now for the breakout of this pattern in order then to see more continuation to the upside, or of course to break out down in theory back to the lows at around 107k, maybe even $94,000. So you know now my TA, guys, and that's why I think that we are about to go to much higher levels in a not so distant future, and also the altcoins will most likely outperform Bitcoin, because we in the Bitcoin dominance we are coming down. So watch out for that. I think right now is the time to be invested, to buy the dip. Of course, no financial advice, but this is just what I'm doing. I'm sharing everything with you guys since 2017. So I'm buying more, and I'm prepared, of course, a big move to the upside in the not so distant future. I think that the next coming months, September, October, November, will be very bullish, and that's why I'm buying in right now. So thank you for watching, guys. That's it for now. Check out all links in the video description. Also, if you need to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on, check out Bybit, the CoinW, Weeks, KeySex Exchange, and so on. Everywhere you get some nice deposit bonuses if you use my sign-up links that you find here. So thank you for watching, and we're gonna see you all in the next one. Cheers and bye for now.